Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the uses and environmental effect of some polyhalogen compounds. First of all, we start with dichloromethane. The structure of dichloromethane is this. So here one carbon atom and 2 Cl and 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is the CH2Cl2. The properties of this compound and uses and side effect. So it is a colorless volatile liquid with moderately sweet aroma. Aroma means pleasant smell. Okay, it is used as a solvent and used as a propellant in aerosol. Aerosol मध्ये propel means it is start to propel or propelling. So it is used as a propellant in aerosol. Then side effect: over exposure to dichloromethane causes dizziness, fatigue, nausea, headache, numbness, weakness, and it is highly dangerous if it come in direct contact with eye, as it damage the cornea. Okay, so this is all about the dichloromethane. Next one, that is chloroform. So the structure of chloroform is CHCl3. There are the one carbon atom containing 3 Cl and one hydrogen atom, and the molecular formula is CHCl3. It is colorless liquid with peculiar sweet smell. It has the peculiar smell. ठराविक असा एक त्याचा स्मेल असतो. It is used to prepare क्लोरोफ्लोरोमिथेन. म्हणजे कशासाठी यूज केला जातो त्याचा, की क्लोरोफ्लोरोमिथेन तयार करण्यासाठी, जे की रेफ्रिजरेंटन R22 म्हणून यूज केला जाते. It is used as a solvent for extraction of natural product like gums, fats, resins. It is used as a source of dichlorocarbene. Chloroform causes depression of central nervous system. Inhaling chloroform for a short time causes fatigue, dizziness, and headache. Long exposure to chloroform may affect liver and internal organs. Chloroform, when exposed to air and light, forms a poisonous compound called as phosgene. So it is stored in dark colored airtight bottle. Then next one, after chloroform, then iodoform. So the iodoform is CHI3, carbon containing 1 hydrogen and 3 iodide atoms. The physical properties of iodoform: it is a yellow crystalline substance with disagreeable smell. Then it is used in medicine as a healing agent and antiseptic in dressing of wounds. However, its use in limited. So this is all about the iodoform. Again, the iodoform means the side effect of this iodoform. It is causes irritation to skin and eyes. It may cause respiratory irritation or breathing difficulty, dizziness, nausea, depression of central nervous system, visual disturbances. Then next one after iodoform, that is carbon tetrachloride, tetrachloromethane. Okay, CCl4. So the structure of carbon tetrachloride is this. It is a colorless liquid with sweet smell. It is very useful solvent for oil, fat, resins. It serves as a source of chlorine. It is used as a cleaning agent. It is highly toxic to liver. Exposure to high concentration of carbon tetrachloride can affect central nervous system, and it is suspected to be carcinogenic, means cancer causing substance. Prolonged exposure may cause death. It is a greenhouse gas. And next one, after that carbon tetrachloride, then freon. This is the structure of carbon tetrachloride, then freon. So freon is C2, CF2 and Cl3. Means the structure is, that is C, Cl, F, F, then again C, Cl, Cl and F. So freon are the organic compound of chlorine and fluorine. This is also called as chlorofluorocarbons. Are commonly used in refrigerator. The most common representative is dichloro-difluoromethane, that is freon. Other includes the chloro-difluoromethane, that is R22, and trichlorofluoromethane, that is R11, and so on. So here freon are here, that is C, single bond C, here 4 valencies, okay, and this is the dichloro, difluoro, that is ethane and methane. So here this is the trifluoro-trichloromethane, this structure, okay. Now here C, H, okay, here fluorine, fluorine, chlorine, chlorine, this is difluoro, dichloro, and here this is ethane, okay. Now the difluoro-dichloromethane, this is one carbon atom, and here F, F, Cl and Cl, this is dichloro-difluoromethane. So these are used as a, this freon, different types of freons, they are used as a refrigerant in fridge and air conditioning, propellant in aerosol and solvent. They are used as a blowing agent in the making foam and packing materials. Chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for ozone depletion of the ozone in the stratosphere. So regular large inhalation of freon results in breathing problem, organ damage, loss of consciousness and so on. So this is all about the freon. And last one, that is the most important compound, that is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. In short, it is called as DDT. म्हणजेच काय तर औषध कशावर तर मलेरियासाठी. मग DDTचा स्ट्रक्चर, स्ट्रक्चर याचं खूप अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं आहे. ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ DDT असा क्वेश्चन येतो 1 मार्कसाठी. तर द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस DDT, that is 2 phenyl group here. See here, these 2 phenyl group, this group, and here another phenyl group, and at the para position here there are 2 Cl, okay, and exactly para position here there is a carbon, okay. This carbon attached to another CCl3, and that's why it is called as dichloro, para-dichloro, diphenyl, this is 2 dichloro, this 2 diphenyl, trichloro, this 3 Cl, that is trichloro, and because of these 2 carbon atom, this is ethane. So dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. It is colorless, tasteless, odorless crystalline compound having insecticidal properties. It kills insects such as houseflies, mosquito and body lice. Here it was used for controlling malaria and typhus. Exposure to high doses of DDT may cause vomiting, or laboratory animal studies showed the adverse effect of DDT on liver and reproduction. Here DDT is a precedent organic populant readily absorbed in soil and tends to accumulate in the ecosystem. When dissolved in oil or other lipids, it is readily absorbed by the skin. It is resistant to metabolism. It accumulates in fatty tissues. There is a ban on use of DDT due to all these adverse effects. So students, this is all about uses and side effect of some polyhalogen compounds.